like what do mothers go through? I wouldn't know. So I'm asking you just out of curiosity, right? मैंने मेरी sister को देखा recently, like 2 years, 1.5, 2 years ago. She was going through bunch of emotions, even though I don't live with her now, obvious reasons. She lives with her. So it's, I would hear stories, I would see her, I would like just see like 20 things going on, and I'm like, ye kya ho raha hai? You know? But it's very obvious that everybody's supportive. Like what? My question is like, ऐसे क्या होता है? Like what do you go through? What are the things that लोगों को नहीं समझ में आता और वो only mothers can understand? Why? Okay, where are we lacking as men that we are not able to?
You're not lacking as men.
A lot of men are not able to understand. They're not able to support. So we need to understand क्या चल रहा है.
Let me explain it to you. So I feel like my husband, how you say hands-on. अभी उनके लिए he's doing his best, right? He feels like, and he is. He's there. I think हर मर्द को यही लग रहा होगा ना कि पर मैं तो हूँ, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मैं सब कर रहा हूँ, बट ऐसा क्या है जो मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, या what am I lacking, like what you asked me, you're right, because nobody talks, कोई बताने वाला है ही नहीं that what you should do, exactly. What you need. For everyone it's different, I'm sure, but सब ना I think बेबी के लिए बहुत सोचते हैं. बच्चा सो रहा है, बच्चा ठीक है, you know, help my wife in diaper changes, या फिर giving my baby a bath, massages, the routine that the first few months on of the infant stage that it is. But little things like I'll tell you what Sid used to do. There was a point where I was getting, my emotions were going all over the place. And he was promoting his movie. So he would come late night, make the most of, because he knew that at least if I meet my family, he also wanted, of course, his baby's come. He's longing to be around her, you know, be with her. So he would, full day, he would finish work. Raat ko, I was staying at my mother's house. So he would come that time, stay there, stay with us. Subah वापस काम पे चला जाता था. उस वक्त, I don't know if it was just me missing him in my life at that point or what, but I was going through, everything was triggering me. Anything, matlab, you could say this, something which today we laugh about, but at that point during those first few days, anything could just pat mere aansu nikal jate.
Okay.
So I remember my pediatrician, my daughter's pediatrician told him, just take her out for a drive every night. It was something as simple as that. She needs to just be out there, let her get fresh air, let her breathe a little bit, because ये एक routine जैसा बन जाता है, right?
Yeah.
Initially आप क्या है, feeding, sleeping, hardly sleeping, baby को वापस सुलाने की कोशिश करो, फिर उठ के फिर दूध पिलाना. He would take me out for a drive every night, and it was something as simple as that. Sometimes it's just that I want to vent, and I don't want any advice. I don't want you to tell me anything. Yeah. Just let जो मेरे दिल में है मुझे
vent
करने दो. Because it's not even that you mean everything you say in that moment, but you just want to be heard. You just want an outlet.
True.
You want someone to see you for you, someone to do those little things for you. सब घर आते हैं baby के लिए. I'm saying this is what I meant when I said I would show up for my friends, but I didn't know the same thing. It's not about men. It's about everyone. It's a whole support system, right? It may be your mom, it may be your father, it may be your in-laws, your husband, it could be your friends. I think the way everyone shows up, and everyone shows up, it's not that they don't. But we are never taught, or we don't know what is the right thing to say, or what is, unless you've been through it.
Yeah.
Because the friends of mine who have been through it and who are all moms and they would come, they were the ones I just wanted to spend all my time with, because they heard me, they understood me. They had also gone through a similar journey. So it felt like one community of women just helping each other sail through this.
But that is so true. Now that you're telling me, ऐसे like light bulb jal raha hai. Now it's like you're talking about first initial few days.
No, and initial few days, it can happen
for months and years.
But postpartum can happen after 6 months. It can happen after a year. It can come and go. There's not even enough research that's done on it. So I feel like तो बीच में ना whenever I get time, like if I'm pumping and sitting scrolling on my phone, oh my god, it's literally like you can spiral with. मतलब मैंने social media पे आज तक ना, other than my algorithm when it's baby stuff, those are all happy and lovely. Baki sab is constantly negative. So I was like, okay, I can't go down this road. It's not good right now for me, for the phase that I'm even in. So block it out. But then it got me thinking, why am I feeling these things? Why do certain things affect you more than they should? Does someone's opinion or chatter like this make it your truth? No. So that's when I realized, I'm like, who am I? What do I stand for? Am I this person? It's important now for me to know who I am and not to let someone else's views on me or any kind of misleading narratives become my truth, because it's not. And the minute you realize that, then you're just like it's almost like it really doesn't bother you anymore. And it's so simple to go back to knowing that, okay, someone may say this about you, but does this make, that's their opinion. It's not a fact. There's a difference between facts and opinions. And I wish I could tell that to my 18-year-old self. Because when you grow up and in your most, formative years, or when you're just starting off in life, there's so much chatter. And today, I mean, social media still came much later in our lives, but the generation right after us, they're growing up in this. And it's scary because your validation cannot come from social media. You need to know who you are. And the most important thing is for you, that self-validation is more important than seeking it from the outside world. I'm in a field where a lot of my validation is almost dependent on your directors, on the people you work with, on the audience. But there has to come a point when you're able to know when that validation needs to come from yourself. And when it comes to the audience, I want feedback. And I take feedback. But I have to know when I have to cut out the noise. I can't put so much power that I almost don't know myself and I've lost myself. That's dangerous.
But it's difficult to navigate this.
It's difficult.
It's like, aap bahut acha kar rahe ho, and then you're going through this journey, and then you read something about you, and then you're like spiral, and then 20 thoughts that what's going on, what's not going on, am I bad, kya mujhse ho nahi pa raha hai, kya main sahi hu, kya itni buri, all that. And then sometimes you also feel frustration, like कि मैंने तो सब सही किया था, ये क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं, like मैंने तो ये भी अच्छा कर रहा था. तो then like you go through
I don't feel
so many different emotions at that time, and you don't know how to block it.
How to navigate. Yeah, I feel like you must go through the emotions. I go through all those emotions.
Okay.
Frustration, anger, upset, pain, whatever those emotions are, I've walked through that fire. But then once you feel all of that. But you also have a moral compass, an instinct, an inner voice that should not get lost in the external noise. Keep that alive. Because you know yourself best. Sure, take feedback in how you can grow and be better. It's not that everybody's always right or you are always right. No, it's not, we all make mistakes. We're all human. But know when to take that feedback, know what the feedback you need to take should be, and know when to cut it off.
बहुत लेट आता है लाइफ में, बहुत रियल.
ये अब आया है माँ बनने के बाद. Yeah, it's not easy. Yeah. It's really not easy. I want this message to, like this is what I would tell my younger self. That the most important, it sounds like a cliche, the most important relationship you need to have is with yourself. But the day you realize that and you you're unstoppable. Really, you're unstoppable. Nothing can affect you. You can be so much more productive.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you'd like to watch more informational and educational clips, please subscribe to Raj Shamani Clips channel and share this video with someone who you think would like to learn more.